Hello, my name is Jenny, or you can call me Jen. I'm so into social media. I really love using it, like Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and more. Well, at first I just made it for fun because I really love to remember some videos. But then, some of the selected friends direct messages me and they said they want to send me their PR packages. They asked me to promote it. Ding dong! New PR package to unbox! Yay! I'm so excited about it! Let's go! Oh, before that, let me explain to you what does it mean by PR package. So PR package are packages of carefully selected brand products sent to a list of influencers or celebrities in hopes of them using the product and posting it on his or her social media and sharing it to the audience. The goal of sending this PR package is for an influential person to give a genuine review of the product, in turn driving brand awareness and also, of course, rising up their sales. After you receive the PR packages, you should find a perfect flat lay to shoot the video. It is because the content should be wonderful, sleek, colorful, playful, beautiful to attract the audience. That is why a perfect flat lay and lighting is very important in photography. These are the apps that I use to edit my video. I frequently use VN, CapCut, Canva, and PixArt. This because all of these apps is actually on our phone, so it's easier for us to edit and then just upload it. We can adjust the color, the contrast, the exposure, and make it more nicer to post it in public. And also, we can also put some songs to make it more fun to watch. That is why editing apps on phone is very easier for us because we just want to post it on social media, so that's the best apps that we can use to create a good video. There are 5 tips that you should bear in your mind to keep the engagement between you and your audience. Firstly, get to know your audience before you post anything, and then get authentic. Share great images of the products, share the videos of the content, and also write strong captions to attract your targeted audience and promote the product that you receive. After posting the unboxing videos, please keep on eyeing on your viewers. It is because you want to keep the engagement. It is not only on the viewers, but also the likers, comments, and also your followers. It is increasing or decreasing so that you can know the interest of your targeted audience. Wow, look at the engagement that I received. I'm so happy and satisfied. And yes, that's the end of the story of Jenny and her influencer career. So lastly, a brand should continue building its relationship with the influencer or celebrity after sending a PR package. Send a follow-up messages asking the influencer if they enjoyed the product and if it arrived in a good condition. Continue showing support on their social media platforms by liking and commenting on their posts. Sending a PR package of a new product to an influential person is a great way to start a relationship with them. That's all about PR, right? Keep the relationship with the public. So, gifting influencer has been a popular method of driving brand awareness. So, why not? Keep on supporting the PR packages and send it to the influencers to review your product. I think that's it. Bye-bye!